on Tucker Time. It's fun with liquid nitrogen and E equals MC squared. I left this up to the professionals. Nitrogen is liquid at minus 320 degrees Fahrenheit. It's actually boiling right now because it's exposed to warmer air. As it boils, it turns back into a gas. Add some fruit and frozen fruit smash. What happens when you super freeze a flour? It crumbles. What happens when you eat food dipped in liquid nitrogen? You become an ice dragon. A mixture of cream, sugar, and vanilla dripped into liquid nitrogen, and what do you get? Dippin Dots. And my favorite, ice cream. Take a balloon, submerge it in liquid nitrogen, and it deflates. As the air in the balloon cools, the air molecules huddle together, decreasing the volume. When you take it out, the air is warming back up, the air molecules spread out again, and increases the volume. This is an example of Charles's law. Liquid nitrogen clouds, rockets, and explosions. Don't try that at home. Go to Unlock Your Education for more information on their classes and workshops. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell. Follow me on social media and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye! Thanks for watching Tucker Time.